Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you a recipe for very delicious cupcakes. So these are with lemon curd and they are super delicious. My boyfriend made these for the weekend, so I thought I could share that with you. You want to start out by grating the peel of your lemon. You want to wash it before you do that, and yeah, just prepare that. Then you want to take some flour in a bowl. And then you want to add some salt and some baking soda. And give that a quick mix and set it to the side. Now take your butter in a separate bowl. Want to add your sugar and your eggs. And then start mixing that. When it's all combined, you can go ahead and add in the lemon peel. And give it a quick mix again. And then also the juice of the lemon. Now you want to add in the yogurt and a little bit of lemon curd for the taste. Now give that a good mix, and then your dough should be almost ready. You can start pouring in the flour mixture now and just mix that all in until you have a nice even dough. Now you want to take your muffin tin and you want to place about 1 tablespoon of dough in each of these little forms. Then you want to add about a teaspoon of lemon curd on each. And then you want to top it off with another tablespoon of dough. And then you're ready to bake with 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. And then they're done. These are super delicious, very tasty, and they have this like little center of lemon curd, which is really nice. Also quite moist, so they don't get too dry, and I hope you enjoy them. Talk to you soon. Bye.